fire alarm symbols command. To insert fire alarm symbols, we are going to use srjcad program command called fire alarm symbols. This command can be called through srjcad menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call fire alarm symbols command is FAS. When this command is called, Fire Alarm Symbols tab will be opened. Select the required fire alarm symbol from the select block list. We can view the selected block in Block Preview. Click Insert button and specify the insertion point to insert, and specify rotation angle to get required rotation angle.